Hello friends, for this pattern we will need 7 color of crochet thread. And one 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First I am taking white color yarn or thread. Make one slip knot. Then make 5 chain, and I am going to the very first stitch and make one slip stitch together and form a small ring. For next step, make 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch, make 2 more chain, and then I am going to the ring and make 3 DC stitch, 2 chain and 3 more DC in the same circle or ring, two chain and make one DC stitch into this circle. I have completed my first round. 1 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC, 2 chain, 1 DC in the very first round. For second round, make 1, 2, 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch, make 2 more chain and go to the very first space and make 3 DC stitch. Two chain, skip the next 3 stitches and go to the next space and make 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 more DC. Then 2 chain, skip the next 3 stitches, go to the next space or last space of this round and make 3 DC stitch, then 2 chain and make only 1 DC stitch and completed the second round. For third round, make 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch, then 2 chain, 2 more chain, turn your work and go to the very first space and make 3 DC or double crochet, then 2 chain, skip the next 3 stitches, go to the next space and make 3 DC stitch. 2 chain, skip the next 3 stitches, go to the next space. This is a center space of this triangular space. Triangular, this is a triangular shape, so this is the center part of this triangle, and make 3 DC stitch, 2 chain and 3 more DC in the same 3 DC, 2 chain, skip the next 3 stitches, go to the next space and make 3 DC. You increase your stitches in this way in the next next 2 or 3 round. Hello friends, I have completed my 7 lines or 7 rounds. Now I am joining the second color thread in the very first space, or this is the 1, 2, 3 stitches, count as DC stitch. Here I am joining it. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch and 2 more chain, and then I am going to the very first space here and make 3 DC stitch, then 2 chain, and repeat the same pattern, 3 chain, 3 DC stitch, 2 chain, skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, go to the space and make 3 DC stitch, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. Hello friends, I have completed my this line, and then you attach the another color thread and make the same pattern, and you repeat the 5 more times of the 5 different colors of thread, the same pattern. You attach this thread in the very first stitch. Here you join it and you repeat the same pattern. I have completed my total 6 rounds of the different color thread, and this is the last final round. So you make the same pattern and this is the corner space of the triangle, so you do not make any stitches here. You make the 3DC stitch and you skip this one, and you make, this is the belt of the neck portion, neckline. So you make 1 2 3 4 5 6, you make 50 to 60 chains as per required length. I have made 50 chains. This is for belt, and then I am making one single crochet in the second chain from my hook. Make one single crochet in each stitch. Make single crochet in the next 50 stitches. And continue it. I have completed my 15 single crochet stitch, and then make one single crochet in each stitch of the middle portion of this triangle. And now this is the space. Here you make 1 2 chain and make 2 more DC, then make 2 chain and continue the granny stitch, sorry. And here you attach one more belt. And now I am making the 50 to 60 chains. This is the waist belt. And you repeat the single crochet stitch after that. I have completed my 50 single crochet stitch in the 50 chains, and after that I am making 3 single crochet in each stitch. This is the waistline of this top. You make, this is a 3 chain stitch, make 3 single crochet, and then I am going to the next space, make 3 single crochet, and you repeat the same stitch other side of this triangle and make 50 chains for other side belt. After that you make the single crochet in the 50 chains. Hello friends, I have completed my crochet halter top. This halter top size is 4 to 5 years baby girl size. If you want to make the big size, then you increase your rounds, increase your lines. And this is a waist part or bottom part of this top, and this is a belt portion, and this is the top part of this top. This is a neckline, and this is the belt. And this is a very easy and simple top. You can make it an easy way. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. And this is the back side. Here you make a knot. You can make this top in the worsted yarn also, and you can use the one color yarn or thread for this pattern. Thanks for watching.